Okay, now we got video going. Video recording. Yeah.
She's enjoying herself, ain't she?
She's so freaking smart.
Oh, I know.
Where'd you go? Turn it. Oh! Wait! Wah! 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 Wah!
Was you ready to hear it and everything?
Mm-hmm. Wah! 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 And everybody's gonna think, who killed the crow? Wah! 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 Wah!
What you got, Kizzy?
Woo! Wah! Wah! Wah!
Ribbit. Ribbit.
Doing the left one.
Uh-oh. Done.
Are you sure not to go
Here it goes! Careful.
Where you going?
I think I'm going. No, who knows? She's washing her dishes.
Where does it go? Can you go here? It goes there.
That's
This
something
one?
else.
This thing, it was recorded in the morning, 12 o'clock in the morning. We're all in here playing in the sink.
Yeah, the good thing I like about this camera is it puts date and time on the pictures.
Hey honey, after midnight we're all in here, ain't we?
What are you doing?
Call after work follies.
She burps. But
I don't know what was in that one.
vomit.
Bottle?
What was in where?
Was it bleach water?
No.
No, just water.
I usually just fill up with hot water.